Upbeat music fades in. Fast-paced visuals of people typing on laptops, looking at products online, packing orders, and a countdown clock ticking down. Are you thinking about launching your e-commerce business? Or maybe you've already started, but something just doesn't feel right? You're not alone. In fact, most e-commerce entrepreneurs make some huge mistakes that could cost them time, money, and their dreams of financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mistakes that could destroy your e-commerce business if you're not careful. And trust me, the last one, it might just be your biggest roadblock. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to avoid them. Let's jump in. Quick text on screen. Top 5 mistakes new e-com entrepreneurs make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, starting without a solid niche. Sounds simple, right? But hear me out. Choosing a niche seems like one of those decisions that you can just wing, like picking a pizza topping. But you can't just slap anything together. Without the right niche, you're not targeting anyone, and you're selling to everyone, leaving you with no one to buy. And guess what? That's how you waste a lot of time and money. Scene cuts to visual of someone scrolling aimlessly on an online marketplace. Picture this. You've picked a broad niche like clothing or electronics. You put a ton of work into creating your store, but no one's buying. Why? Because you haven't identified your target audience. You don't know exactly who you're speaking to, and without that, how can you sell them something they actually want? Scene shifts to a focused entrepreneur researching a specific niche. So, what's the fix? Focus on narrowing your market. Dive deep into your interests or passions, research trends, and get to know who your ideal customer is. The more specific you can be with your niche, the better your chances are at building a loyal customer base. You can't be everything to everyone, but you can be everything to someone. Mistake number 2, not testing your products before scaling. You know the excitement of launching a new store. You think you found the perfect product and you're ready to go all in. But hold up, what if it flops? And I'm talking total failure, like trying to sell flip-flops in Antarctica. Before you put all your chips on the table, you need to test your products in the real world. Scene cuts to visuals of someone uploading a product to a website with huge excitement, only to be met with no sales. Too many entrepreneurs rush to scale without validating their products. And that's a recipe for disaster. What you need is a simple strategy. Validate before you invest. Scene shifts to a marketer running small Facebook ads, tracking results. Start small. Test your product with a small audience, analyze the results, and then decide whether it's worth scaling. Trust me, testing and iterating could save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in the long run. Cut to a humorous clip of someone dramatically throwing money out the window as a symbol of bad product choices. Mistake number 3, neglecting your website's user experience. If your website feels like a maze with no clear path to purchase, guess what? You're losing sales. Cue dramatic gasp. I know. You've got the cool products, but if your site looks like it was designed by a toddler with a crayon, customers are going to bail faster than a cat at bath time. Scene shifts to visuals of a cluttered, confusing website with a frustrated visitor trying to navigate. The trick here is simple. A clean, easy-to-navigate site that encourages customers to hit that Buy Now button. You need to create an experience where shopping feels effortless. Cut to a smooth, professional-looking website with clear product pages and easy checkout. So how do you fix it? Invest in a professional, mobile-friendly website design. Use clear calls to action. Make sure your pages load fast. And most importantly,